Yeah, we're coming down to that line, so we're almost there. Got two more, but how's the shirt? Still looking good, still looking fresh. Yeah, you can't see the try, but it is what it is. But the ring light's good, the camera's working, the mic's on. Let's go ahead and roll with it. Hey everybody, once again, thank you for coming into the Sneaker Factory. Thank you for visiting Sneaker Profiles number 14. I appreciate each and every one of you that come in. The fellas, I appreciate you. Thank you so much for continue to support your boy. I appreciate that. Ladies, you know I always appreciate you. So thank you for coming in, ladies. Thank you for showing your boy love. Continue to drop comments, positive comments. Drop or hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed. Hit that reminder button because like I always say, we are all busy people. Sometimes we just need to be reminded of, FLOYD CHAVEZ channel and when those videos drop. So definitely want to hit that reminder button if you haven't already done so. And then also definitely drop the comments. I'd really appreciate that. What are you doing if you're not dropping comments? Even if it's just your name, drop your name in the comments so I could give you a shout out, so I can know who's in attendance. And I'd appreciate that. It'd make me happy. So just make me happy. Come on, make me happy. I'm not asking for much. But thank you again. Like I said, thank you again for coming in to the 420 Sneaker Profiles. This is actually number 4 when it comes to the Sneaker Profiles. But actually, in all reality, as a collection, this is number 14. So I already reviewed 5, 4, and 3. You've seen those. Now we're coming into the, my top as far as 420 sneakers go. So definitely something I wanted to show you. If you guys have not seen this, you're in for a surprise. If you are a sneakerhead and you're all about SBs and you know what's coming. But an amazing shoe. In case you were wondering, what kind of shirt is that? What kind of long sleeve? It is a Lululemon long sleeve fundamental tee. Definitely rocking the green in 420. Even though this video is coming way after 420, so I definitely wanted to still support. If you guys are into smoking, I hope you had an amazing 420 day. This is actually April 17th. I'm dropping all 5, or I'm making all 5 videos on the 17th. So it is Easter. So I hope you guys had a great Easter. I hope it was a relaxing one and a blessed one. So shout out to you for hopefully you had an amazing Easter and it was just full of blessing, especially if you have kids. But let's go ahead and go on to this. Once again, like I said, thank you for coming in. I appreciate all the support. I appreciate you guys coming in with anticipation to see what this shoe that I'm about to show you. I'm sure you probably already seen it because on my thumbnail, you probably already seen me with the shoe. So let's go ahead and take a closer look though. Be on the lookout though. Definitely go support all my shorts. I appreciate you guys supporting those. 16 seconds isn't very much, so please go in there, drop a comment or hit the thumbs up. I'd appreciate that. That would mean a lot to me as well. So your boy, before I actually show the shoe, your boy does have an IG. Go ahead and give me a follow on there. I would love to see more followers. I would love to meet new people. It's the sneaker game's all about meeting people. Ladies, I love to meet you. Fellas, definitely love to meet you. So go in there, be a follower, and more than likely I'll probably follow you right back. So I'll show that same love to you. So moving on now, let's go ahead and go into this shoe. So before I go into the shoe, because I just definitely skipped all this shoe, as you can see, it's a Nike Dunk SB rainbow box. Love it, love it. I love these rainbow boxes. Great. In case you're wondering, Floyd, what size do you wear? I'm a 10.5, and you'll see all my shoes in a 10.5. And as you can see, it's a Nike SB Dunk High Pro QS. Let me read you the color on this. This is University Red / Spinach Green. So there you go. I'm sure you guys all know what that is as far as the shoe goes. But let's take a look. Okay, so this shoe, little backstory. This shoe was actually supposed to drop on, I want to say 420 of 2019. I want to say, right, or 2020. I don't know. I don't remember. But it got pushed back because this is actually known as the strawberry cough. At that time frame, that's when COVID hit. Coughing was just like, people were scared when people cough because, you know, how contagious COVID was. So people were freaking out. Nike, you know, obviously got word of that, and pushed this back for a very long time. This actually dropped last year, when it was probably supposed to drop either back in April 20th. But this actually dropped back on like in October, so October 22nd. And this was actually a sneakers release, and your boy did not hit, so I was a little pissed off about that. But once these actually came out, the pricing on these dropped dramatically. So I was very patient when it came to this shoe. It dropped really low, so I was able to grab it for a really good price. I was just surprised how far these dropped. I'm not sure if because of the colorway, but I remember when COVID hit, people were trying to buy these because they're very limited, and you know, shame on you for doing that because you guys played an arm and a leg when you guys could have just waited and basically got the shoe later on. I was in no hurry to get it, so but I'm happy when I did pull the trigger because, like I said, very minimal as far as resale pricings go. I do not know what the resale price on these now, but you know, at the time when I purchased them, and I will tell you, I purchased these on November 12th of 2021. I believe these may have been on my no, it wasn't on my first YouTube live. But yeah, so I mean, let's take a look at it. I'm sorry for talking so much, but just a great shoe. Like I said, this was known as a strawberry cough, which gets its name from a popular strain of weed. Shout out to the Dankin' and Drankin' fellas out there. Let me know how the strawberry cough is as far as the weed strain goes. I would like to know. Maybe you guys have tried it. Well, I'm pretty sure you guys have. So the shoe features a textured upper and green suede overlays, giving that appearance of an actual strawberry, finished off with a translucent sole. There you go. I'll be showing that more in detail. A coughing strawberry logo adores the heel and insole right there. He's coughing. So this shoe is basically the work of Todd Bradford, who is no stranger to creating the 420 sneakers for the Nike SB. Bradford is responsible for the classic Skunk Dunks and the White Widow, that SB Dunk Mid. I don't like that shoe, so you won't see that in the collection. But yeah, there you go. Strawberry cough right there. So you do see that strawberry little bubbling right there, that nice green, that hairy suede, definitely paying tribute to the OG Skunk. This right here, I love this. It's like a velvet, green velvet. I love this little green tab right here. It's a definitely different color green as far as this goes. Amazing. Love that translucent midsole. You see that red to green, that red stitching. Amazing shoe. I know a lot of people will probably say it's ugly, the colors. Oh, this is another cool feature. So inside, you can't see because of the tissue paper, but if you Google it, in the insole, there's a strawberry guy and he's coughing and he has like bloodshot eyes. But just a very cool shoe. I mean, I love this shoe. Definitely will keep this in the collection. I'm not sure if I'll ever wear it because of the translucent sole. But great talking piece, like I'm doing to you guys right now. Just a beautiful shoe though. Love the tribute to the obviously the 420. I'm glad, very blessed and very grateful that I got a hold of this shoe, but very grateful that Nike SB put this shoe out, even though it was, way down the line as far as, October to April goes. But I'm just glad that they still pushed it out. They could have just scrapped it and been done with it, but basically, shitted on all the people that went and paid resale way back then, because like I said, you could just waited and got it for a lot less, way lesser price. So beautiful shoe though, classic right here, Strawberry Cough, classic 420 shoe when it comes to SBs. Very grateful and blessed to have, like I said, to have that in the collection. So what do you guys think? What do you guys think about that Strawberry Cough? Do you guys like it? Do you guys hate it? Are the colors just too crazy for you? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. I would love to know and hear about that. Ladies, what do you think? Would you wear that shoe? Ladies, would you like your man to wear that shoe? Let me know. Let me know. Let the audience know, because we want to know what the ladies think. So that's why, ladies, it's very important that you come into the Floyd Chavez channel, because we want to hear what you think is hot. I know what I like, and I know what I feel like is hot, but I would love to know what you ladies think is hot. So definitely show me some love. Drop comments down below. Let me know. If you're new to this channel, I appreciate you. Fellas, thank you so much for coming through, for all your support. Shout out to everybody that follows me on Instagram. But if you're not following me, what are you doing? Go follow me on Instagram. I would love to see you on Instagram as well as YouTube. I appreciate you. Hey, we're just one more to go as far as the 420 sneaker profiles go. So we are almost there, down the home stretch. Don't want to miss that last one. Ooh, you definitely don't want to miss that last one. It's going to be an amazing shoe. So tune in. I appreciate you. Have a blessed day. Stay blessed. And I will catch you on the next one.